So, totoo naman na most insurances do not cover the implants, but it doesn't mean na walang paraan. I hope this helps you, mga arthritis warriors. We finished 1 hour of knee pain live. We will do a part 2 next week and hopefully a live on hip pain naman. So, much love and respect. It's already 1 p.m. Meron pa kasi akong online consultation. If you have any questions, may pahabol si Ma'am Ophelia. I will be applying for charity surgery. How about the implant? It costs 200K. Shall I shoulder the payment for the implant? Thanks. So for Ma'am Ophelia, if you are applying for charity surgery, pwede po natin idaan yung implant sa mga government na institutions, and we can help you do that. If you would like, come to the clinic po para matulungan ko po kayo. And if you have the money for the implant, mas mabilis naman po if you really are wanting the surgery right away. Pwede naman po na bayaran niyo po. Pero a lot of the Filipinos would like to save money, kaya dinadaan po natin sa mga government institutions. And if you have any questions, you can message me dito sa Facebook or come to the clinic and we will assist you personally po. And I hope this helps, mga arthritis warriors. We will do another live next week. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you share this live with a friend, family, or coworker